Hey guys, it is Lauren here from Chasing the Tickle. Anyway, today I decided I'd actually do a vlog on how to actually tie a Sinar Tichel. So anyway, I decided today, the reason why I wanted to do this wrap was recently I actually got a Sinar Tichel from Harmony Head Wraps. And this one is actually called Pretty Cotton, and I can't remember how much it actually cost me initially. But I do believe I actually got it on sale. But in saying that, it's handmade, and it's also, I think it's just such a lovely little scarf, you know, for for sort of updo events, I guess you want to call it, yeah. But anyway, what is a Sinar Tichel? I think that's probably one of the biggest things I do get. And a Sinar Tichel, well, Sinar in Hebrew actually means apron, and well, you guys can get the idea. It does actually look like an apron. So you could even actually tie it around your waist and it looks like an apron. So you get the idea. It looks like an apron. And, you know, with this flap here, it sort of covers all up at the back here. But then also you've got all these other ties and you can actually have it sort of mounting back. So yeah. Anyway, let's get on with how to actually tie this. First and foremost, my shaper is actually a Wendy Beret from Rapunzel. Now this is basically a brand new shaper I've actually got. It's in the blonde. I like to wear blonde with certain clothes because when you wear black with like a white scarf, it's quite obvious. So I just like to wear blonde because it's quite a neutral color in that sense. It's sort of like wearing the skin-coloured underwear under your clothes because it's not as revealing as, say, for instance, a white or a black colour. So yeah, this is brand new. No stuffing has been taken out and no stuffing has been put in. So it is actually how you would get it from the store. Now, just note that I've usually like to have my shapers around about there. Today I'm just going to pull it down right to my headline, and you guys can see why very shortly. So let's put this on. Now naturally we're going to put it on as right in the center. We're going to pop it right in the center of our head. Now some people like to pull it right down here. That's completely up to you. I prefer to have it just on my hairline. That's just me. I think it just looks a bit awkward when you've got it down here. For me, I just don't like that style. So yeah. Anyway, we're going to pop it in and center it up. If you get it right from the shop, you still should have a center line in. I'm just going to use my mirror temporarily for this. And what we're going to do is just tie it in the back. Now, as you guys can see here, we've got some flaps going on. Don't be too worried about them right now because they're going to be hidden very shortly with your tails. So don't be too worried so much at the back. So what we're going to do is just tie this in the back. Pull and adjust wherever you need to do. I prefer to actually pull this back bit down just so then when it's done, yeah. So as I said before, don't worry too much about this because they're all going to be tied up. And also at the back, as you guys can see, we've got this problem going on. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We'll actually get onto that very shortly as well. So first up, grab your tail. This is what I love about it. It's just so easy to do. All right, grab your tail, wrap it around, and then just tuck it into where you've actually wrapped it. Now make some adjustments where need be. And we're going to do the other tail. Now it's completely up to you how you guys want to put it. You might want to just leave like one lacy bit down, or whatever's fancy for you. You might want to actually put all of it out. It's just up to you what you prefer. And we're just going to tuck it in. And that's the majority bit done for you guys, just there. Now we're going to turn around and I'll just show you. We're just going to tuck all of this bottom bit in underneath as shown. And that's it. That's how we tie a Sinar Tichel. It is very easy to do. For those people who are either learning to wrap or have a lot of issues with putting your arms up or anything like that, this might be actually quite perfect for you. It's very basic and very easy to do. The other thing is it's quite fancy as well, so there's no complicated kind of things to it. We're just wrapping it around in a regal style and it is that easy. So I'll just turn around and just show you guys. As you guys can see, it is very easy, very basic. You might want to just make some more adjustments. The thing about the Wendy is it just looks a little bit square sometimes, but sometimes you just need to play with your shaper a little. But yeah, that's it. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and actually subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to check out my Facebook page, Chasing the Tichel, and also my Instagram page, which is also called Chasing the Tichel as well. Alright guys, I will endeavour to make sure to make some more vlogs as soon as I am able to. With my work situation and with my personal situation, it's been a bit hectic, so I haven't been able to make as many vlogs as I would like to. But as soon as I can, I will make more when I can. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye!